flying?
Oh no!
Eric, do you want to play with my plane?
No thanks. It can't even fly.
Well, it's broken.
Another airplane toy. Here's your money.
Thank you.
Haha, I have the best airplane toy. Bye.
Ellie, look. That's not bad, but I still like my plane.
Duh, but I still can't fly. Again? I'll buy another airplane toy. I only got 4 coins. Hi. I want an airplane toy.
Of course. We have this one for 10 coins and this one for 20 coins.
I only got 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Well, I also have an airplane for only 4 coins.
This one is way bigger than this one and this one.
Well, it just can't fly.
Airplanes are supposed to fly.
And, well, it can't even move. Yeah, that's the best toy for 4 coins.
Okay, I guess it's fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Ellie, I still got a plane. It's bigger than your plane.
Mine is the best.
Go, 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 go.
Huh? My plane cannot even move.
Eric, come play with me.
Really? Thank you. Uh-oh.
Oh no, my plane's broken.
I'm sorry. Hi.
How can I help?
Can you fix the toy, please? I accidentally broke it.
Sure, I'm a toy fixer too. Come on.
Really? Thanks.
All done. Ta-da! Thank you very much. You're very welcome. Let's try the airplane. Wow! Go, go, go!
Ready to board the airplane.
Let's go. Hello, officer.
Hello.
Here's my passport.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you.
Now let's weigh your luggage. It's overweight.
Uh-oh.
Why it's too heavy?
My toys.
No. These are not allowed.
Huh? Okay.
You're good to go.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi.
You ready for your flight?
Yes.
Come on in. Hi, everyone. I'm Captain Jim.
Hi.
Buckle up and ready to fly.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bye.
Whoa, the city looks so small.
Wow.
No, Jenny. Pick up your trash.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Hello, Uncle Max. Yeah, I'm on the plane right now.
Huh?
Are you at that costume party?
Jenny, no phones on the plane.
That's right.
Okay.
Buckle up. We're about to arrive. We arrived.
Thanks, Captain. Bye.
When I grow up, I want to be a pilot like you.
Very good, Jenny. Study hard.
I will. Bye.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Buckle up. Ready to take off. Ready to take off.
Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take off. Ready to take o
Eric, no guitar on the airplane.
Huh? Okay.
Huh? Eric, again? There are many rules we need to follow on the airplane. Eric, if you want to listen to music, use headphones.
Thank you.
We arrived!
Thank you, pilot. Bye.
Bye! Welcome aboard! Buckle up!
I like your hairstyle.
Thank you.
Are you also going to a rock concert? Oh, yeah! Let's practice together. Oh, yeah! I love rock music! Rock music!
Quiet! Quiet!
Yeah! Huh?
No loud music in the airplane.
Okay, I'll just listen to rock. I will sleep. Huh? Captain!
Huh? Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
Don't bother people in the airplane.
Okay, sorry.
We're arriving. Buckle up! Did you enjoy the adventure, kids?
Yeah!
Bye!
3, 2, 1! Blast off! We're about to launch into space. 3, 2, 1, we're going into space. Awesome! Oh no! My plane! It's broken! Sorry, Alex. It was an accident. Let me help you fix it, Alex. You just made my airplane worse. It was an accident.
What's going on?
Wendy broke my toy. Now we can't fix it. Sorry. Ah, here's my jetpack. Really? Yeah. Whee! Whee! Hey, Alex, can you slow down with my jetpack, please? Hey, Wendy! Whee! My jetpack! Oops, sorry, Wendy. Well, you should have played more carefully. This couldn't have happened if you were playing more carefully. Yeah, but it was an accident. Mine too.
Oh, what should I do?
They're on your side.
This is not gonna turn out well. Oh, I know what to do. Hi, Auntie Amy.
Hi. What brings you here, Uncle Max?
I'm looking for an airplane toy and a rocket toy. Do you have any?
Sorry, Uncle Max. I don't have the toy, but I have these.
Wow, this is even better than what I was looking for. How much?
$100, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Is everything okay, Uncle Max?
Yeah, I don't know how to put this together.
Don't worry, Uncle Max. I'll help you put it together.
Safety first.
Let's get started.
All right, the rocket's done.
Awesome. Let's move to the plane.
Wow. I think this is good for now. Let me help Auntie Amy.
Finally, we're done.
The kids will be really surprised.
I'm sure they'll like it.
Thank you so much, Auntie Amy.
You're welcome.
Bye. Surprise.
Wow. Awesome. Is this for real?
Yeah. This is for you too. Do you like it?
Yeah, thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome. Come on, let's try out the rocket first.
Sweet. Let's go.
Oh, wait. Put these on before we go.
Wow, we got our own spacesuit. Sweet. This is the best day ever. Cool.
Ready, kids?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ready to take off. Put your seatbelts on. To space we go. Whoa, space.
Hey, let's get out.
Okay. Wow, this is so fun. Yeah, I love being in space.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Wait, Uncle Max, you don't have a helmet. How are you breathing in outer space?
Oh, good point. I need my helmet.
Uncle Max, hello?
I need my helmet.
Uncle Max, Uncle Max.
Oh, hi, Auntie Amy.
Hi. Ooh, pretend play I see. Well, you forgot your helmet at my store.
Oh, thanks. I was looking for this.
Have a great pretend play.
Bye. Much better.
Oh, you have a helmet now.
Yeah, Auntie Amy just dropped it off for me. Let's play catch and stay.
Yeah.
Ready for the fastest ball ever? It's coming.
I'm ready, Uncle.
It's coming. It's really fast.
It is. Yeah, it's coming really fast, Uncle.
Anytime now.
Uncle, can we play with the airplane now? Good idea.
Yeah, let's go.
Welcome to Alex's Skyway Airlines. Come on in.
Cool.
Everybody, please buckle up before we take off.
Always buckle up.
Safety first. Let's fly.
This is the best view ever.
Yeah. Wait, stop the plane. Huh? What's wrong? Look over there. There's so much trash in the ocean. Oh no, we have to clean up. Hold on, everybody. We're turning around.
Whoa.
Wow, there's so much trash here. Do not litter. Please care for our environment.
Great job, everyone.
Yeah. Hashtag Team C.
You need help, Johnny?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, then Uncle George.
Yeah.
Do you want to fly now?
Let's do it.
You're so excited, huh?
Yeah. But don't go too fast, Johnny.
Okay.
Whoa. Johnny, slower, slower.
Look, Uncle George. It's our living room.
No, Johnny, slow down. Please, Johnny, slow down.
Don't worry, Uncle George. You will be safe. Are you okay, Uncle George? Uncle George, open your eyes. It's okay.
No. I don't want to see Johnny. I'm scared.
Don't be scared, Uncle George. Look around. It's nice.
Really, Johnny? Whoa! It's amazing!
Then, let's go.
Whoa! Johnny, slow down, please.
It's okay, Uncle George. You'll be safe.
Whoa, look, the ocean. Oh, look, dolphins. Wow.
Huh?
Oh, wow. Look, Wonder Woman. Jenny, stop. I want to take a picture of Wonder Woman.
No, Uncle George. I'm hungry. We're going home. Bye.
Aw.
Are you sad, Uncle George?
Yeah, I couldn't take a picture of Wonder Woman.
Sorry. Next time, but I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. Do you want anything?
No, thank you.
Okay. See you.
I wish I could have a picture of Wonder Woman. Ah! Haha! I'm a pilot. Why not, right? Ooh! Ooh, yeah! This is fun! Yeah. Oh, dolphin! Oh, it's a shark! Oh, no dolphin anymore! Oh, the shark is scary! Ah, what's going on? What happened? Oh, the shark! Jenny!
Hello, Uncle George. Huh? What?
Help! The sharks! I'm scared! Help!
Okay, Uncle George. First, connect to the speaker.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay, listen. You have to drive really slow. Really slow. Because you're almost out of gas.
Oh, okay. But the shark! It's scary.
Keep calm, Uncle George. Don't be scared.
Oh, okay. With the shark.
Uncle George, are you okay?
Yeah, a little scared, but yeah, I'm okay.
Let me check.
Okay.
It just needs some gas. There's nothing wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wow, it's working, Jenny. Sorry I took your airplane without asking.
It's okay, Uncle George, but why did you use my airplane?
I just wanted a picture of Wonder Woman again.
I forgot to tell you that she was my friend. I'll call her and then she'll come here.
Really?
Yeah. Hello, Wonder Woman? Yes, can you come here? She's coming.
Oh, cool.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Wonder Woman. Can I take a picture of you?
Sure.
Finally, I have a picture of a superhero. Thank you, Wonder Woman.
You're welcome, but I have to go home now. Bye.
Bye.